Hello everyone, welcome to the data visualization with Python lab session. In this session, we'll be discussing how to draw a histogram plot using matplotlib. This is the program code to draw a stacked histogram. So in the beginning, we need to import all the required libraries to draw this stacked histogram. Here we are using two data sets. These two statements will give values. This is to read the, we are assigning the values for the data set 1, and this is to get the values for the data set 2. And this statement is used to create the histogram. So these histograms are a fundamental tool in data visualization. They provide a graphical representation of the distribution of data. They are particularly useful for exploring the continuous data, such as numerical measurements or sensor readings. A matplotlib histogram, it represents data provided in the form of some groups. It is an accurate method for graphical representation of numerical data distribution. So it is a type of bar plot where the x-axis represents the bin ranges and y-axis gives the information about frequency. So how to create a matplotlib histogram? So we need to create a histogram, matplotlib histogram by using first we need to create a bin of the ranges. Then we need to distribute the whole range of the values into a series of intervals, and we need to count the values that fall into each of the intervals. Bins are clearly identified as consecutive non-overlapping intervals of variables. The matplotlib.pyplot.hist function, it is used to compute and create a histogram of x, where x stands for an array or sequence of array. Here, this function, it is used to draw this stacked histogram. We are passing data 1 and data 2 as parameter, first parameter for this function. And we have bins, that is an optional a parameter. It contains integer or sequence of strings. And here this parameter is used to indicate whether we are going to draw a stacked histogram or not. If we don't want a stacked histogram, then we can give the value as false here instead of true. Then this color represents the color of the it is a parameter used to set the color of the histogram. And edge color, here I have mentioned black, that is histogram's edge will be in black color when it is displayed. So in order to add the title for x and y axis, we use these two statements. So x axis will be given the name as values and y axis given as frequency. And the title of the stacked histogram will be stacked histogram. Then we are using this statement. So here legend function we have used. So a legend is an area describing the elements of the graph. So here we have used a legend function which is used to place a legend on the axis. So we have data set 1 and data set 2 as parameter passed to this function. Next, this statement is used to display the histogram. Let us now run the program and check whether it works properly or not. So this is the output of this program. So this is the stacked histogram. So yellow represents the histogram in yellow color represents the data set 1, and histogram in green color represents the data set 2. Suppose we don't want this stacked histogram, and we want these two histograms as separate to be separated. Then we need to give false to the value stack in hist function. So I'll show that also. I'll change this argument to false. So this is the output of the program which I just altered now. So if I give if I give the value as true for stacked variable, then it will give us the stacked histogram. So thank you.